Sending money to Bangladesh just got easier than ever with Taptap Send, so let's break down how to do it. First, download and open the Taptap Send app on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you will see the home screen, or a screen prompting you to log in or create an account if you do not have an account. Follow the instructions on the screen to make one using your phone number. Now, to start your transfer, select Bangladesh as the recipient country, then type in the amount of money you wish to send. Make sure that the currency selected is also correct for Bangladesh. Next, you'll choose your recipient's preferred method of receiving the money. Options usually include sending to a bank account, or for cash pickup select your preferred option. Then follow the prompts to add your recipient's details. If sending to a bank, ensure you have their bank information. And if sending for cash pickup, you'll likely need their name as it appears on their ID. After entering the recipient's details, it's time to add your payment information. This could be your debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Carefully enter the payment details and tap the send button. Once your payment has been processed, you'll receive a confirmation screen with details about the transfer, including the estimated arrival time. The app will also notify the recipient, and you'll often get updates on the status of the transfer. That's all there is to it. You've successfully sent money to Bangladesh using Taptap Send.